Currently hiking on the Nakasendo. It's a little route in between two, well actually it's a route that goes all the way from Kyoto to Tokyo, but I'm just hiking this little portion of it between these two cities, Magome and Tsunake, I think is the other city. Either way, I'm just passing through all these little quiet villages, and it's a pretty nice view. It's right at the base of this mountain, so you can actually see a little bit of a snow cap on top. Very pleasant. Nice way to spend a sunny Tuesday. I believe it's Tuesday. So to give you an idea of what I'm actually doing, I started here in Magomejuku Post Town. Walked along the trail to this spot here where we are now. And then I'm going to continue on this trail past all the stuff up to where we will catch a bus either back to Magomejuku or all the way back to the train station that we originally came from, which I don't remember the name of either, but it starts with an N. Nawaka, something like that. Anyway, and this is a very old pilgrimage trail. It's got antique soft drink machines all over the place. These were around since the early pilgrims, and they also built restrooms about every 2 kilometers because shitting in nature is a bad thing. You shouldn't do it, according to the people that originally walked this. So I'm gonna go on hiking course. Trail has all these little bear signs all over the place, and what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to ring this bell that's right up here, and apparently if you ring it, it keeps the bears at bay. I guess they don't like bells, so let's give it a good whomp. And I don't know if I'm actually been using these bells properly, because they say ring the bell hard against bears. So maybe you're just supposed to hit the bear with the bell, but we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. So I've been ringing all these bear bells along the way, and every time I ring one of these, it feels like a dinner bell. You know, like, come and eat, bear! There's a tasty human over there. For the Kumano Koda, our first stop up 341 meters, something like that. 1.1. Turn to this side. Nice little view here. Catching our breath. How you liking it so far, Keegan? Yeah, we came across a little black snake on path. No idea, but Keegan was warning us that apparently there's pit vipers somewhere out here. So hopefully that was not a pit viper, and hopefully we don't run into any more. Bye. So hanging out under a bridge, cooking some, what is this? Noodles with dehydrated mushrooms and bonito.
I think we might die.
What is that?
Just say where you are if you die. And we need to find you again.
Flavored with a silicone packet. Silicone flavoring. So apparently when you get to this village, they play you a little victory tune. I made it!
No more steps.
No, you have like 5 more at least. Now you can say no more steps.
We don't know what's over here.
So do we want soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or a combination of both?
Hard-boiled.
Hard-boiled. I agree with that. What do you say? Alright, hard-boiled it is. 15 minutes of hard-boiling.
Soft-boiled.
And then we will have 14 fantastically hard-boiled eggs. Which is right here. So it's day 4 of the Kamana Kodo, and I'm making my way to the town of Kaguchi, where I'll settle in for the night. Looking at the weather forecast, it should be fairly cold, in the 30s, so I may actually end up staying in a house or like a hotel. I don't know, something along the way, because it's very, very cold and my gear is not really made to handle such cold. It's been a beautiful day despite the rain. It makes for a lot of very interesting clouds. I'm not sure whether or not you can see it in the background, but the fog rolls over the mountains and makes it look mystical almost. It's really, really cool. The other 2 party members, Cecile and Keegan, have decided to part ways. They decided to take the bus to Naichi. I'm almost in town. I have maybe half a kilometer, and I'll settle in once I get there. So today was absolutely brutal. Started the day with a climb of about 700 meters in elevation in a span of about 5 kilometers, which means something between a 30 to 45 degree angle just going uphill. Absolutely brutal. Took me 3 hours to do 5 kilometers. I should not have to do any more climbing at this point. It's all downhill from here, the last 4 kilometers. I should be able to bang them out pretty quickly. The map promises me a hot lunch at the bottom of this mountain. So once I get there, that should be good. And yeah, then I'm done. I'm in Naichi. I've done the Kumano Kodo.